In the last class, we learned how to convert a fraction with the denominator power of 10 to decimal form. Today our discussion is the third form. Consider the fraction 1 by 3. We want to convert 1 by 3 into decimal form. We cannot get a power of 10 by multiplying 3 with any number. So 1 by 3 does not have a decimal form in the current sense. But although no fraction with denominator a power of 10 is equal to 1 by 3, we can compute fractions of this type closer and closer to 1 by 3. For that, consider 1 by 3. Multiply and divide 1 by 3 by 10. Now 10 by 3 into 1 by 10. Convert 10 by 3 into mixed fraction. We know that 10 by 3 is equal to 3 1 by 3. So 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 10. Now open the bracket. That is equal to 3 by 10 plus 1 by 30. Now take the denominator with power of 10 into LHS. 1 by 3 minus 3 by 10 is equal to 1 by 30. This is our first step. As in the above, multiply 1 by 3 by 100. 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 100 by 3 into 1 by 100. Convert 100 by 3 into mixed fraction. 100 by 3 means what? 33 1 by 3 into 1 by 100. As in the above, open the bracket. That is 33 by 100 plus 1 by 300. Now take 33 by 100 into LHS. 1 by 3 minus 33 by 100 is equal to 1 by 300. This is our second step. We know that 1 by 300 is a lot smaller than 1 by 30. So the fraction 33 by 100 is quite closer to 1 by 3 than 3 by 10. Continuing like this, we get from the first step 1 by 3 minus 3 by 10 is equal to 1 by 30. From the second step, 1 by 3 minus 33 by 100 is equal to 1 by 300. Then write the third step. What is the third step? 1 by 3 minus, in the first step numerator 1 3, the second step 2 3s are there. So in the third step 3 3s are 33 by, the first step 10 raised to 1, the second step 10 square. So in the third step 10 cube, that is 1000 is equal to 1 by first step 30, second step 300, so the next 3000. By the next step also similarly we can write 1 by 3 minus, here 4 3s, that is 3333 by 10,000 is equal to 1 by 30,000, and so on and so on. From here the fractions 3 by 10, 33 by 100, 333 by 1000, etc. and so on get closer and closer to 1 by 3. Closer and closer to 1 by 3. Convert this into decimals. The fractions with the decimal forms. The fractions with the decimal forms. Decimal form of 3 by 10. We already studied 3 by 3. The decimal form is 0.3. The decimal form of 33 by 100. That is 0.33. Next is 0.333, etc. And so on. Get it closer and closer. Closer to 1 by 3. So we can write 1 by 3 is equal to 0.3. The repeating it is what? 3. 3, 3, etc. Understood? We can do another problem. Convert 5 by 6 into decimal form. Convert 5 by 6 into decimal form. First, look at the denominator. Here the denominator is what? 6. Take the, it is not a power of 10. Now take the prime factors of 6. That is 2 into 3. Here 3 is here. So we cannot convert the 6 into power of 10. So we can use third form. What is the third form? First, consider 5 by 6. Multiply and divide by 10. That is 50 by 6 into 1 by 10. Multiply by 10. That is equal to convert 50 by 6 into mixed fraction. That is equal to 8 plus 2 by 6 into 10. Open the bracket. Is equal to 8 by 10 plus 2 by 60. So what is the next step? Same as in the question 1. Take the denominator with the power 10 to LHS. That is 5 by 6 minus 8 by 10 is equal to 2 by 60. That is the first step. Now what is the next? For the second step, multiply 5 by 6 by 100. That is 5 by 6 is equal to 500 by 6 into 1 by 100. Convert 500 by 6 into decimal form. That is 83 plus 2 by 6 into 1 by 100. Now open the bracket. 83 by 100 plus 2 by 600. Now take the fraction with the denominator 5 by 6 into LHS. 8 by 3 by 100 is equal to 2 by 600. This is the second step. From the first step and the second step, we cannot continue the next step. So, one more step right. multiply the 5 by 6 by the next power of 10. Next power of 10 is what? 1000. Multiply by 1000. 5 by 6 is equal to 5000 by 6 into 1 by 1000. That is 5 by 6 is equal to 5000 by 6. That is 833 plus 2 by 6 into 1 by 1000 is equal to 833 by 1000 plus 2 by 6000. As in the above step, 5 by 6 minus 833 by 10,000 is equal to 2 by 6000. This is our third step. Continue like this. Once again we can write from the first step we got 5 by 6. From the first step 5 by 6 minus 8 by 10 is equal to 2 by 60. From the second step 5 by 6 minus 83 by 100 is equal to 2 by 600. Now from the third step 5 by 6 minus 833 by 1000 is equal to 2 by 6000. From these three steps we can write the next step also. Next step is what? 5 by 6 minus 8333 by 10,000 is equal to 2 by 60,000. By 60,000 and so on. We can write the next step and so on. This gives fractions with the denominators power of 10 getting closer and closer to 5 by 6. The fractions the fractions 8 by 10, 83 by 100, 833 by 1000, etc. get closer and closer to 5 by 6. Write the corresponding decimals. The corresponding decimals of these fractions. What is the corresponding decimals of these fractions? 8 by 10 means 0.8, 0.83, 0.8333, etc. get closer and closer to 5 by 6. This we shorten into a decimal form, that is 5 by 6 is equal to 0. Here the repeating digit is 3, 8, 3, 3, 3, etc. I hope that all of you understood this. Thank you.